Just realized that I have swam with whale sharks, and how many people can actually say that? Here I am in the middle of the road again with a backpack, because I am going to Oslob. Later I get a bus to Oslob, so yeah, let's go. It's my vlog. Say hi. Hi. Yeah. So there is no direct bus to Oslob. I have to go to Batok, and from Batok I have to change another bus. So that's gonna take about 2 hours. Here I am at Batok, and I have to wait here. It is another half an hour bus ride. My bus is going to come in half an hour. Usse pehle I'm just going to use the washroom, but there is no light at all. Literally, this is the washroom. Like, the washrooms here are clean, so kudos to that. I'm just taking this cup noodle. I had the beef one and the chicken one. Both were yummy. So now I'm going to try the seafood. And then there's some prawn crackers. It's nice, but I like the beef one better. It's funny because I'm a seafood lover, and choosing beef over this is, the country knows how to do its meat. That is all I can tell you. Let's try the prawn cracker. Nice, crunchy, crispy. Doesn't taste like prawn. I am going to Oslo, and I am the only person in the whole bus, and I have these two guys with me. Hello. I find it scarier to travel with men alone in a bus than swimming with wild sharks, but here I am. I finally made it to my hostel, the whale shark hostel in Oslo. I'm going to check in now. I have checked in at my dorm, and I will go take a shower. There were a bunch of French people reception, and I'm going whale watching with them tomorrow. So I had one of the best days of my life today, and I think tomorrow will be the same. So stay tuned. 5:30 and look at the sunrise. We're still waiting. Our number is 25, so I don't think we have to wait a lot. I am glad that we came early at 4 a.m. because had we come a little later, we would have definitely waited for longer. It was 500 pesos for the entry, and we paid. And now we are waiting in line. Look at this beautiful sunset and more beautiful people. Getting along with her. I'm so happy to see her. We have Tony waiting for our ticket. We get the line. We got our ticket. So he is going to do our registration.
Second, no flash photography. Away shirt and applying of sunscreen is not allowed. Thank you so much for listening.
We got done with the briefing, and now we are going to the waiting room. But the sharks are worth the wait. I will wait for sharks all day long. We got the life jacket on, all of us, and now we're going on the boat. At this beautiful sunrise. 6:15 and we're on the boat. Okay, are you excited? Yeah.
Can't wait.
Yeah.
Okay, go on there. Let's stop.
So we are rowing, and it's quite near. You see, it's just like there. I felt like I was having my very own ZNMD moment. We have reached the place where we see the whale sharks. After taking a few deep breaths, I finally took a plunge into the blue deep water. And there she was, the gentlest giant that I've ever met. I felt so honored and privileged to be able to share the same space as a whale shark. Also, it's not allowed to go too close to the whale shark, but I'm not the best swimmer. So there were moments when the whale shark got too close to me, and it felt so surreal. I did not feel scared at all. The presence of that shark was magnificent. It was so close to me. I made an eye contact with one of them, and that was the best eye contact of my life. Also, shout out to my friend Soline for recording this lovely footage. Looking beneath in the water, there were bioluminescence planktons. I've never seen bioluminescence plankton during the day, and they were shining. The water was so deep, and enchantingly beautiful. But now I will just stop with my voiceover because I want you to feel how I felt in that moment unadulterated. So, welcome to the best moment of my life.
We saw this beautiful, majestic, gentle giant. It was so good. What's your experience like?
Awesome. It was incredible. I can't wait to see another one.
Yes. We saw turtles also.
Let's go.
That's it. I just got done with the whale watching. It was a magical experience. It was so up close, like it was right here, right, like literally right here, and I saw it like eat food. I had to move away. I made eye contact with the whale, and then you come, you take a shower, and now yeah, we are gonna go on with our day to Tumalog Falls. Just felt like I was in a Nat Geo documentary when I swam with the whale sharks. They say don't go near a whale shark, but this morning I realized a whale shark came near me and I am not the best at swimming, and so it was like right here and it opened its mouth and I felt like I could just dive right inside its mouth. Oh my god, it looked straight into my eye and I felt so connected to it. I am in love with the whale shark. Oh, now we're going to Tumalog Waterfall. She's finally awake after 2 hours. After 3 hours. Riding again to the waterfalls. Tumalog Waterfalls is about 10 minutes away from here. We are also going to go watch some monkeys in the Monkey Sanctuary. Cliffside views? Check. Ocean on one side, jungle on the other, and not a care in the world. Except for maybe where the next coconut stop is. Honestly, if this is what getting lost looks like, then please don't find me. The ride down here was so beautiful because you go up and then you go down. And look at that. Here at Tumalog Falls. Yeah. The waterfalls were so beautiful, I felt like it was straight out of a Disney movie. I mean, look at this.
So majestic. So heavenly. Wow.
This is the kind of place where the mist kisses your face and the mossy rocks try to trip you like an ex. It's cold, it's dramatic, but it's perfect for your Instagram worthy pictures where you can post captions like tripping on sky, sipping waterfalls, my youth. Yeah, it was so fun. And a very pretty chill place to be in. So if you're in Oslo, definitely check this place out.
We are going to go and swim now. Look at this. The water is super cold and there is like tiny doctor fish floating around. It's magical. It's beyond beautiful. Like, wow.
A place so Instagram worthy, of course I had to make reels and take some beautiful shots.
The water is so cold and there's like tiny fish, so you can just chill, swim a little after coming from the sea to cool down. We are done with the waterfalls. Now we are going to the monkey sanctuary.
Some girls like shopping, but I like this. 2 wheels, no GPS, wind in my hair, and vibes on max volume. Oslob, you did not have to be this pretty, but wow.
At the wild monkey sanctuary. I hope the monkey does not snatch my phone or my glasses. But let's go! Look! That's the first monkey. And one more, please. These are the Philippine long-tailed macaque. They live for about 30 years. And there is 108, right?
Yeah, 108, and then we have pregnant female monkeys here. Okay?
How long do they usually carry their babies?
What?
How long does the baby stay?
6 months.
6 months? 6 months. Yeah. And how when is she due? How many months?
Pregnant 6 months. They carry.
This is how many months?
This is 4 months already.
Oh. Checking yourself out. Okay. Wow. Who is that? Who is that? Be careful with her because she can be overprotective.
Yeah, she protects the baby, so.
Honestly, one of my most toxic traits is thinking that I'm a Disney princess and I've got such good vibes that the wildlife is going to love me as much as I love them. But I am trying to get better.
Oh, he likes my skirt. He used to be the leader of the pack, but then she lost the fight, so it's someone else now. And they usually fight
Yeah,
so much like humans.
yeah, humans.
Yeah.
Like that.
So this is a male monkey because no hair
No
on
hair.
the face. Yeah. And the female monkeys have a lot of hair. Yeah. The one behind that is a female monkey. The female monkey because there is more hair on the face.
Some fun facts about the long-tailed Philippine macaque is they are excellent swimmers because they live near the coast and they usually eat crabs, but they also eat fruits and seeds, which makes them omnivorous. And they live in a matriarchal group, which means that the female monkey is usually the head of the group. How cool is that?
This baby right here is 2 months old. And they hold the babies till they're about 4 months old. So she's very protective. I took a big fat nap because I was so tired.
and now we're at a resort. Just gonna have some food and then I don't know wherever the day takes us. Only a French guy who's speaking. So I got my breakfast and I am going to have some Filipino breakfast. Oops. Please stand. Oh, you're coming. Great.
Ça peut être long 24 heures. Juste à 3h du matin.
Garlic is yummy. I'm just chilling by the pool at a resort because the island is shut today. Every third Friday, Wednesday, the Sumalon Island shuts. So I can't go there. So we're just taking a day pass and we're gonna chill by the pool. My younger self couldn't fathom that this would be the life that I'd be living. But I am so glad I made it. What more can a girl ask for? Just chilling by the resort near the ocean. No big deal, no big deal. This is my life right now. So I just felt like having fries. So I had fries. Because I'm on vacation and I can do what I want. And yeah. Good day, good day. Such a good day. Like, I can't believe my life. Thank you, God. Thank you so much for this. I hope I get to come back here again because I am obsessed with the sharks, the whale sharks. They are so majestic, a gentle giant. I wish I can just kiss them one day. I can't, I know. But yeah, they're so beautiful. You've got to experience this yourself. And I was there till the sun set, but a little storm hit and the electricity of the whole island went away for some time. So I had to walk back alone to my hostel in a dark island with no battery on my phone. But I was safe and I reached back safely. Pane shrimp. Try the balm egg
But it
shrimp.
looks beautiful.
Do you want to try?
Yeah, after, yeah. But try it first. I'll try mine.
Okay. Very similar to pancit. Have you had pancit?
What?
Pancit.
Pancit? What is that?
Nice. Very similar to pancit. It's yummy.